Hey, what's up everyone? Have you ever wondered if you can mine cryptocurrency right from your smartphone? Today, I'm diving into this intriguing topic to see if it's actually worth your time. Alright, so let's kick things off with a quick overview. Mining cryptocurrency typically requires hefty computing power and specialized hardware, which, let's be real, can get pretty expensive and energy consuming. But now there's a buzz around mining crypto using just your smartphone. Sounds cool, right? But let's break it down. First, what exactly is mobile crypto mining? Simply put, it's the process of using your phone's hardware to mine digital currencies. Unlike traditional mining that uses proof-of-work algorithms, mobile mining leans on less resource-intensive methods like proof of stake. It's designed to be more accessible and affordable. So how does it work? Well, there are specific apps for Android and iPhone that turn your phone into a mini mining rig. These apps use your phone's processing power to solve complex algorithms and mine blocks. Sounds easy, but let's look at the pros and cons. First, the perks. Accessibility is a big one. Anyone with a smartphone can mine crypto anywhere, anytime. You don't need a high-end device or a massive investment to get started. Plus, the process is pretty simple and user-friendly, especially for beginners who want to dip their toes into the crypto world. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some notable downsides. For one, mining popular coins like Bitcoin on a phone is almost impossible due to the high processing power required. Also, your phone's limited power means you're not exactly competing with those specialized mining rigs. And let's not forget the potential wear and tear on your device. Think reduced battery life and overheating issues. Additionally, there's the risk of malware and scams. Always be cautious when downloading third-party apps for mining. Now, what do you need to get started? First, a decent smartphone. Second, a reliable mining app. Here are a few options. Bitcoin mining. This app lets you mine Bitcoin through cloud services, so no need for expensive hardware. MinerStat. This app offers optimized solutions for mining but charges a small monthly fee. Bitdeer, a cloud-based platform offering comprehensive Bitcoin mining solutions. It's got a pretty broad user base too. To wrap it up, mobile crypto mining has its pros and cons. Some folks find it a convenient and budget-friendly way to earn crypto. Others think the effort and risks outweigh the benefits. So, is it worth it? That's up to you to decide. But hey, it's always exciting to explore new ways technology is shaping our world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.